first full sea day on the boat.
Yes, yesterday didn't really count. It's a partial day.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
After leaving Fort Lauderdale, Florida, we headed out for 2 sea days on our way to St. Kitts. Show number one.
Show number one, and this better be good.
It's a comedy show.
Comedian.
Comedian, not a comedy show.
Well, a comedy show is usually like a
Okay, show number one
comedian.
is a comedian. The comedian put on such a great show, they scheduled him to come back later in the cruise. After the comedy show, we enjoyed some music in the atrium before calling it a night. Go for a walk?
Let's go.
First full sea day on the boat.
Yes, yesterday didn't really count. It's a partial day.
So we are headed to breakfast.
Let's go get something to eat, Robin. I'm hungry.
Okay. They're ready cleaning everybody's rooms. Cheers.
Cheers.
You have the mixed smoothie, I have the green smoothie.
Smoothie for the morning.
Yep.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
It tastes like celery chop.
I have
Some water.
salmon.
We took advantage of some of the educational talks on the ship, like the GoPro talk and the new cruiser's presentation.
Well, this is just a little special event we put together just for you guys who are new to the family. We want to make you feel welcome.
It's really fun how the Regal Princess has games that puts the officers versus the passengers.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come.
We had our first full day at sea on the Regal Princess.
Going down to East Caribbean.
We had a full day.
Full day. Yeah, it was pretty cool. We had a nice variety of things today.
Our last cruise, it was so port heavy. We only had one sea day and didn't get to do a lot of things on the ship. So today we went to a game show. We went to a musical ship production show. We listened to a talk about
GoPro,
about Princess. About some of our upcoming ports.
St. Kitts and St. Martin.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was a nice variety of
And
things.
hung out by the pool, listened to some music.
Tried a couple different restaurants.
Tried some restaurants and
Trident, the buffet, the buffet,
and the main dining room.
Oh yes, yeah.
And the truth may come as a surprise that you are.
I don't think we're blowing our horn at that cruise ship. I think there's another one on the other side that's closer.
Well, let's go check it out.
Get some clothes on, Rich.
Who's talking there, lady?
I got clothes on.
Oh.
That one. You get closer to that.
Time on our side, we're in a state of hope. I need you.
We started our second sea day with a stroll around the walking track.
Good morning.
Taking our morning walk. got to get our steps in for more food today. So it's going to be another full day at sea before getting to St. Kitts tomorrow.
Yes, we just went by. What was the other boat?
The Sky Princess. We just passed the Sky Princess, and now it's just us and the open sea. While out on our walk, Rich tried his turn at putt-putt golf.
And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise, that with you I feel alive. You'll be
The walk got a little windy, so we decided to explore inside some more.
Robin, is it windy?
A little windy, Rich. Nothing we can't handle.
No. Pretty sure we're not gonna fly away.
I can't see. It's great that the menus for the main dining room are posted in the buffet to determine which location you want to eat. We had room service this morning, but in the buffet there are lots of options for breakfast. Fresh fruit, continental breakfast, hot breakfast, vegetarian breakfast. Our walk around the deck, get a little banana bread. They are setting up for lunch currently. Even though it's 9:30. So since we changed time last night, I was wrong. It is 10:30, and they're getting ready for lunch that starts at 11. We are on deck 7, outside, just getting a little fresh air. Rich wants to just inspect the emergency equipment. For lunch, we went into the main dining room and enjoyed a sea day brunch. We went to find a laundrette in case we needed to do laundry later. Laundry room. Oh, it's coin operated.
No, it's tokens.
Okay.
You use your thing to get tokens. Use your medallion to get tokens, and you can buy soap, and then you can also use washer or dryer. That's how I read it.
And
ironing. You have to iron here. You can't take it to your room.
And how many washers?
Looks like there are pairs, maybe, huh? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep.
Per floor?
Yeah.
There are 2 on this floor.
I think there's just 1 per floor.
when it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
It was great that the game shows on board were replayed in your room on demand.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yes or No Game Show. Please welcome your host.
There we are!
We're on TV!
Well, very good evening.
Around the ship and near the elevators, there are screens that have maps of all the decks, as well as the ability to tap your medallion to find your shipmates. We had a good day, our first sea day,
First full sea day.
and things are winding down here on the Lido deck.
It was crazy earlier.
They'll probably kick back up tonight. Yeah. A little windy though.
I'm not sure how it could be less windy.
Going on this open sea, going 20 knots an hour.
Yeah. But the wind was nice in the heat, so we are going to get ready for a formal night. Our formal, which isn't very formal. But we're going to get ready for dinner and a show.
You can hear it.
We went to the buffet to take an afternoon snack back to our room.
Greetings, Robin.
See how it's green?
Yeah.
On the camera.
Oh. Walk up. Green and go on in.
Green means go. So after every night of asking, or after the second night of asking for Caesar with dressing on the side, Bong has it set up back there every day before we show up. And today he's got it all on the table for us. We had another great day aboard the Regal Princess. Join us next time as we arrive at the island of St. Kitts, meet some locals, and go scuba diving in the Caribbean.